Hello everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com. And today I wanted to take a quick second to share with you my completed indigo blue printer's tray from class. Yes, this is a class that we held. It was a 3-part class, which is going to be available in the Academy. So if you're not an Academy member, well, I will leave information down below in a link format so that you can find out more and not only be able to participate and watch and follow along with this multi video class, but also so many other amazing projects that are available in the Academy. We hope to see you there. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to us. I'll leave my email here on screen. And I hope to see you in these other videos that I'm going to leave here at the end. See you there.